Good day everyone, welcome to my video. I am Justin Rose Pitinapay, a BESED mathematics student, and this is a mathematics class, and I will share a topic to you about polynomials, so watch and learn. Before we start, let's know the learning competency and objectives. So our learning competency is learner be able to add and subtract polynomials, and learning objectives are at the end of the lesson, students be able to add and subtract polynomials, demonstrate proficiency in solving polynomials, and tell the importance of polynomials for real-life situations. So what is polynomials? A polynomial is made up of different terms that contain positive integer powers of the variables. Here is an example of a polynomial. 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. So 4x, 2x, and 3x are called coefficients, and 1 is called constant without the variable, and cube and the squared are called power of the variables. So take note that if the power is negative, then it cannot be called polynomials. And now we are in steps to add polynomials. So we have 3 steps. Step 1. Arrange each polynomial with the term with the highest degree first, then in decreasing order of degree. Then step 2. Group the like terms. Like terms are terms whose variables and exponents are the same. And step 3. Simplify by combining like terms. To understand more the step, I have here a sample. So now we have here the sample problem. So add the polynomials 2x squared plus 6x plus 5. Then the other is plus 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. So to add this, we have to follow the steps. So the step 1 is the polynomials are in decreasing order of degree. So as we can see that there is only 1 degree or power, which is the squared. Then step 2 is group the like terms. So the like terms is like 2x squared and 3x squared, then 6x minus 2x, and then the constant 5 and the negative 1. So we simplify by combining the like terms. 2x squared plus 3x squared is equals to 5x squared, and then 6x minus 2x, then it would be 4x, and then 5 minus 1, it will be 4. And so that's how we add the polynomials. It's so easy because there are steps and you just need to follow the steps so you can come up the correct answer. And now we know how to add, so let's proceed to steps to subtract polynomials. So to subtract polynomials, first reverse the sign of each term we are subtracting. So for example, turn positive into negative or negative into positive. Then follow the previous steps to add. So to understand it more, I have a sample problem. So in subtracting polynomials, it is just like adding a polynomials. The difference is that if we have negative, then we change into positive. And if we have positive, we change it into negative, which is the second part of the polynomials, which we are to subtract. So here is an example. Subtract the polynomials 5y squared plus 2xy minus 9, and then we have another 2y squared plus 2xy minus 3. So because 2y squared is positive, so we change it into negative. So step 1, reverse the sign of each term we are subtracting. From 5y squared plus 2xy minus 9 minus 2y squared plus 2xy minus 3. So we have now 5y squared plus 2xy minus 9 plus negative 2y squared minus 2xy plus 3. So the polynomials are in decreasing order of degree. So this is the step 2. Just like the adding, we have to arrange it in decreasing order of degree. So step 3, group the like terms. We have 5y squared minus 2y squared plus 2xy minus 2xy minus 9 plus 3. So if we simplify by combining the like terms, which are 5y squared minus 2y squared, we have 3y squared, and 2xy minus 2xy, so 0. So negative 9 plus 3, so we can conclude about negative 6. And that's how we subtract a polynomial. And now we know how to add and subtract polynomials. So I have here an example to real life application. So these are some example on how can we use polynomial in real life situation. So it is essential for describing and predicting traffic patterns, so appropriate traffic control measures are implemented. Then it can use to model economic growth, and medical researchers can describe the behavior of bacterial colonies, and last is real life situation for graphing curves. So these are example of real life application of the polynomials. And now we know some of the application of polynomials in real life situation. So find a paper and a ball pen and try to answer the following to measure your understanding. And that's all from my video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned some.